The North Carolina office of the state's fire marshal released its final 2025 fire fatality report. It shows deadly house fires like this one in Gaston County that killed the father of NASCAR legend Denny Hamlin. They're happening more often across North Carolina. 159 people died in fires across the state last year. Almost 84% of fires were accidental. However, in more than half of these fires, smoke alarms either weren't working or just weren't present. WCNC Charlotte's Walker Lawson spoke to the state fire marshal on how people can prevent this tragedy from happening.
Have a plan. What we have seen in our numbers, they are rising. Those numbers of multiple deaths and single fires are concerning. But we go back and say these are all preventable deaths. We need to do a better job and educate the community of the importance of having a working smoke alarm.
North Carolina State Fire Marshal Brian Taylor issuing a warning for smoke alarms after almost 53% of deadly house fires did not have a working smoke detector.
Fires burn so much hotter and faster today because of the synthetics and the furnitures we have in the homes. Where we used to have 12 minutes to escape 20 years ago, we're now looking at about 2 minutes to escape.
Fire officials say it's not just about having a smoke alarm, it's about having a plan.
You haven't picked a meeting place, so the kids could run to the neighbor's house, the kids could run to the woods behind your home. You're going to think they're still in the house. You're going to go in and you're not going to make it out. And that's how a lot of fatalities happen.
The report also breaks down who's most at risk. 91 of fire deaths in 2025 were males, with 68 female fatalities. Most fatalities happen in the winter and early spring when heating use increases and overnight hours are longer. Reporting in Charlotte, Walker Lawson, WCNC Charlotte.